the cubic polynomial x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 2, and now that second one 4x cube plus 8x square minus 6x minus 2, minus 6x minus 2. Now these are the polynomials. We have to write the given polynomials. We have to write out the three roots. That means sum of the roots and product of the roots, and also that sum of the roots, sum and product of the roots at a time two zeros. So that means how to write. See that first one, that sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, what is the formula? Minus b by a. So which is equals to, what is b? B is the quotient of x square. Now otherwise you write down that comparing with ax cube plus bx square plus dx plus ex plus d, a is what? 1, b is what? 3, c is what? Minus 1, d is what? Minus 2. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma minus b by a, that is minus 3 by 1, which is equal to minus 3. Next, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to, now what is the formula here? Minus d by a, which is equal to minus of, what is minus d? Minus 2 by a is 1. Minus of minus 2 plus 2. Now third one, alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma formula is what? Product of the roots here also, c by a. What is c? Minus 1 by, what is a? 1. What is minus 1 by 1? Minus 1. One more example, comparing with this ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 8, c is equals to minus 6, d is equal to minus 2. Now first sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma formula is what? Minus b by a. Now which is equal, minus b means minus 8 by a means 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So which is equals minus 2. Next second one, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to, what is the formula? Minus d by a. So which is equals to minus, d is what? Minus 2 by a means 4, minus of minus plus 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So that means this value is 1 by 2. Next third one, product of the roots, that alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma formula is what? C by a. C by a means, what is c? Minus 6 by, what is a? 4. Now 2 twos are 2 threes are. So what is your answer? Minus 3 by 2. Now this is the way to represent that alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, and then alpha beta gamma. And please note down this. Okay, now next. Now see that one example problem. Verify that, please note down the problem. Verify that 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 by 3. 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Zeros of the cubic polynomial p of x is equal 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3 minus 11x minus 3, and then find the relationship between zeros and quotients. Find the relationship between zeros and quotients. This is the problem. How to do this problem? Please see. Now 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial first. Afterwards we have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Now first of all, given polynomial, comparing the given polynomial with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Come on, write what is a? Coefficient. A is equal to 3. B, coefficient of x square. It is coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x square minus 5. Now coefficient of x c, that is minus 11, and the constant term d is equal to minus 3. Constant term d is equal to minus 3. Now first of all we have to verify that if you substitute that these are the zeros. Now we have to verify whether they are the zeros or not first. First we prove the zeros and prove that these three are the zeros, and after that we have to find out the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. Now first of all, P of 3. P of 3 is equal, instead of x you substitute 3. Please try to understand the concept, children. This is very important. 3 of x means 3 cube minus 5 into x square, that is 3 square, minus 11 into x, that is 3 minus 3. So which is equals to 3 into 3 cube 27 minus 5 into 3 square 9 minus 11 3s are 33 minus 3. 27 3s are 81 minus 9 5s are 45 minus 33 minus 3. Minus 45 minus 33 minus 78 minus 78 minus 3 minus 81. So which is equals to 81 minus 81, that is equal to 0. So that's why P of 3 is equal to 0. Let us test that P of minus 1 next. Now P of minus 1 is equal, P of minus 1 is equal, now substitute that A into minus 1 whole cube minus 5 into minus 1 whole square minus 11 of minus 1 minus 3. Now which is equals to A into minus 1 whole power negative number is again minus. The whole power odd number is again minus. So minus 5 into minus 1 whole square is plus 1, minus into minus plus 11 minus 3. So A into minus 1 minus A, minus 5 into 1 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3. So that means here A means here P of minus 1, no? P of minus 1 means A into minus 1 whole cube. So that means A into minus 1 means here A is what? 3. Here instead of A you write 3. So that means 3 of minus 1 whole cube means minus 3. Now which is equal minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 minus 8 minus 3 minus 11 plus 11 cancel, which is equal to 0. Now next you substitute that minus 1 by 3. Now P of minus 1 by 3 is equal 3 into minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 into minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 11 into minus 1 by 3 minus 3. So which is equals to 3 into minus whole power odd number is again minus. So that means minus 1 by 3 cube is 27 minus 5 of minus whole power even number is positive. 1 by 3 square is 9 minus into minus plus 11 by 3 minus 3. Now 3 ones are 3 nines are. So what is your answer here? Minus 1 by 9 minus 5 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus 3. Now here what is the take LCM? LCM is 9. 9 one time minus 1 minus 5 plus 3 3 times 3 11s are 33 minus 1 9 9 3s are 27. So is by 1 is equal minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 plus 23 minus 6 plus 23 is plus 27 plus 27 minus 27 cancel 0 by 9 which is equal to 0. So that means P of minus 1 by 3 is also 0. So that means P of 3 is 0, P of minus 1 is 0, P of minus 1 by 3 is 0. So what is the first part? Hence 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial. P of x is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. This is the first part. Now second part, have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Now for this, what we have to do? Now see the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Now let us take 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros, means let us take alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to minus 1 and gamma is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now sum of the roots. What is the sum of the roots? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 plus into minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1 by 3. 3 to the 6 minus 1, 5 by 3. Shall I write this 5 by 3 as minus of minus 5 by 3? That means minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. So that means minus of minus 5 by 3 is what? Minus, what is minus 5? B by A. Hence verified. Therefore alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, if you substitute sum of the roots 3 plus of minus 1 plus minus 1 by 3, what we got here? 5 by 3. 5 by 3 can be written as minus of minus 5 by 3. But minus of, what is minus 5? B by what is 3? A. So that's why alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus B by A. Hence verified. Next, second one. Sum of any roots at a time. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3 into 3. Now 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus into minus plus 1 by 3. 3 cancel, plus into minus minus 1 which is equal to minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 4 minus 3, that means 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus into minus minus 3. So minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 plus 1 by 3 which is equal to 3 into minus 4 minus 12 plus 1 which is equal to minus 11 by 3. But minus 11 is what? C. 3 is what? A. And hence alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C by A. That is C by A. So that means sum of any two roots. Now last one, alpha beta gamma is equal. Now alpha is 3, beta is minus 1, gamma is minus 1 by 3. Now 3 gets cancelled. Why? Because it is product only, we can cancel. In between that, see children, some students are writing here only that mistakes you are doing. Suppose in between that plus or minus, you don't cancel that. Take LCM and then cancel. If it is a product, we can cancel directly. So minus into minus plus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. So plus 1 is equal to, that means, shall I write minus of minus 3 by 3? Why? Because minus of minus 3 by 3 means minus into minus plus 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. So that means, which is equal to minus what is minus 3? D by 3 means what? A. D by A. So this means what? Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus D by A. Now this is the way to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma is adjust that minus B by A. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C by A. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus D by A. So that means this type of problems in the textbook, one more problem is there. So what is the way? First you write the comparing that ax cube, that means you have to write the values of a, b, c, d, And then first you prove that these three are the zeros of the given polynomial. How to prove? If you substitute that instead of x, you'll get RHS is 0. After proving that, let us take these three roots are alpha, beta, gamma. Those are the zeros. And after that, according to the roots, that means alpha plus beta plus gamma, you substitute, that can be adjusted to minus b by a. And second one, that can be adjusted to c by a. And third one, that can be adjusted to minus d by a. This is the way to represent, this is the way to write the verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. Please note down this is the problem. Thank you very much for this.